Hi, and welcome to the patch panel live demo. This is a patch panel. You can see it is 48 ports. Starting from 1 to 48 in blocks of 8, up and down. On the back is where you punch down your cable. You can see the different numbers up and down, and you can see they both show A and B layout. So this would be installed in the rack, and then cable from the desk that goes into a jack would come back to the patch, and then from the patch punch down, and then up front here you would patch a cable into the networking device, so that way it would make a connection. So this is a 48 port Cat6 patch panel. Patch panels are used again for devices to be connected to, networking devices, or patched from rack to rack so that you could connect it. After that, it goes out to a jack either in a desk or in the wall, and then terminated, punch down here, and labeled, and everything is labeled the same number on both sides. So if we were doing this one, we don't have anything set up yet, so we'd use number 1 here, and then the jack at the other end would be numbered 1 as well. So that is the patch live demo. We'll see you in the next video.